Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying healthy. In today's video, I'm going to show you all a full tour of my kitchen. All the cabinets, how I kept it neat and organized way. Hope you all like it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification on my coming videos. So let's begin with the very right side. This cabinet is my favorite part in the kitchen. Here I keep a lot of things in this cabinet. We had a lot of space and very convenient to use. There are 3 storage portions. This cabinet is called as Pantry pull-out. It contains side opening with 6 trees, 7 baskets, and when we open or pull out, they give extra basket for huge storage. In this small basket, I kept chicken masala, tandoori masala, and here the amchur powder, black peppercorns, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, methi seeds, ginger garlic powder, and chaat masala, amchur powder, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, and so on. Baking powder, cardamom powder, and some vanilla essence and food color. Chili flakes, kasturi methi, baking powder, and so on. In this basket, there are some peanut, flax seeds powder, sesame seeds, corn flour, chana flour, and kidney beans, chole chana, rajma, saffron, urad dal. These containers are very helpful. I had bought this from Center Point. In this basket, I kept extra product. Glass jars are Nutella containers. Here I kept black lemon, which are used for mandi or any Arabic dishes. Chili powder and coriander powder, black cumin seeds. This is very helpful for health. If you don't have, please buy and have it daily. 1 spoon with honey. Strong immunity. Dry whole red chili and sunflower seeds. This one is milk powder and the oats, white oats. And here some sea salt and also this custard powder. In this basket I kept extra custard powder, cocoa powder, tea milk. Here I kept basil seeds, chia seeds. It is really good for health. And in the last portion I kept poo cream and also the tomato paste. So yes, this all kept on this pantry pull out. Now moving on here. Here is 2 burner gas stove and bottom side is all vessels. And also here extra oil and extra items that I store for later use. Some I had already used. Yummy noodles are our favorite. And I kept some trays here. Let's move to the top cabinets. Here I kept all non-stick cookwares. You had already watched it in my cooking videos. This is spice box. My mother was gifted me this. This I kept all my spices such as red chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, turmeric and cumin powder. Then over here I fixed one stand and kept all various things like ghee, salt. Dry fruits, coffee, tea, sugar, oil. These are olive oil bottles which reusing for storing sunflower oil. This is olive oil. Bottom you can see the stand with racks. There I kept pans, onion, garlic, tomatoes and potatoes. Next, this drawer. I kept knife and spoons here. Bought this organizer and keep all the knives organizing way. In this second drawer, there are a lot of things which I usually used in my cooking. These are measuring spoons and measuring cups. This is very useful when you are baking. I love to buy these kind of things, small products which are really reduce the time and your effort in the kitchen. Here I kept things that are not used much often. Now on the top cabinet, here I have stored sugar, flour like maida, wheat flour. This is one small storage place where I kept oregano, paprika, rosemary, chili flakes and so on. Bottom drawer, here is rice and here is trash bags. On countertop, I keep water jar. Now on the top portion, I kept all glasses and bowls. Now moving on this side, here I placed plates rack and there is sink. Here I keep chopping boards, spoons, fork and also some items. Over here is my mixer grinder and juicer. Next to this I kept oven and microwave. Now on the bottom portion of the plate rack I kept oud. Second and third drawer is not working. The bottom drawer I kept hammer, screwdriver and stuff like that, which are very useful at home. Under the sink I kept extra hand washers and chemical liquids that are useful for the kitchen. This cabinet I kept all Tupperware, kids lunch boxes, and here I kept glass jars. Now on top cabinet, all disposable plates, glasses. And here I kept one electrical stove for emergency purpose. And these are baking container and baking products. The top left of the side, there are ice cream popsicles, glass jar, hot pot. Extra jars, beater, sandwich maker. And on the bottom cabinet, I kept some snacks, glass container, Zam bottles. I have stored water bottle with an automatic dispenser, which is very convenient to use. It is rechargeable. And this is my refrigerator. I'll show you the arrangement in next video. Keep watching. Hope you all enjoy my kitchen tour. Please hit like if you do and subscribe to my channel. Comment down and suggest with me what kind of videos are you love to watch. Thank you all. Take care. Allah Hafiz.